Hello guys, I hope you quite well. These are super sales and mega discount gradient abstract background, and these are files in EPS and JPG. You can see that you can easily download them from the link in the descriptions. Here my website GFX, and you can download from here, or simply you can type here this and search. So here are the files in EPS and JPG. You can see extremely high quality. And here is EPS format. You can edit them in any EPS editor. And here you can see when you download the file will be in WinRAR, so you need to extract this. When you start this, you got this folder, and here these are. You can download other graphic material from my website for free. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.